Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? Welcome to a new brand video. So hope you are well. Today video is very important about Cardano price prediction. You can see here in the graph result as absolutely goes down. So before I get started video, please click the subscribe button for latest update. Complete 3000 subscriber, I do a giveaway of Cardano 100 coins. So don't miss a chance. Just take a chance and earn and win the 100 coins giveaway. Okay, so let's get started. Just like video. Okay, complete 100 likes. Okay, so the end of this month is coming soon. You can see here today as 29 March and 30 March is the last end of this month. So the people is starting selling of Cardano. This is a very big mistake. You understand, this is absolutely very bad. First time you just wait and the end of month. Okay, so just wait for 30 March. Okay, wait for 30 March. Today is 29, so wait for tomorrow. Don't sell it today. But I cannot sell what you are selling, you are buying. It's your opinion. I cannot interfere in this. But I just share you my opinion. Okay, I am also holder of Cardano and Alhamdulillah I take a good profit. I cannot lost any time, but sometime everyone lost it. But Cardano is one of a good profit earning coin. You know this is absolutely, you better know because you are also holder. If you are a holder, then you can understand it. Okay, I said you don't sell it. I sell. You know how which days I sell Cardano coin? I sell Cardano coin in the mid of every month. This is the big reason. You understand, this is and this is absolutely very big reason. I sell it and a mid of every month. Why? Because this time the end of month allows all people goes to sell it, and then the price is absolutely goes down. Absolutely, the prices goes down. You can see, you can check here is the price change as minus 0.64%. Absolutely very bad. This is last 24-hour result. But the Cardano coin is going upward. This is goes like a rocket. But you know why the last 24-hour goes down? Because all people goes to sell it, and then the price is already goes down. So if you sell it this time, they can give you a not good profit. But if you can sell it in the mid, you can see here in the graph result. The graph result is here as 1.20 US dollar as the price of one Cardano. But here, as if you can see here, the 1.18 US dollar as the price. So this is the end and this is the mid. So this is your choice to you sell it in the mid, and if you sell it in the end of month. So this is your opinion. So what you are doing, please share your opinion in a comment box because this is very important. Okay, and I suggest you, if you are new Cardano holder, then use this tip which I use, and I hope you can earn more and more. So thanks for watching. Keep watching ABS Tech channel for latest and good news or bad news. Okay, so thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.